Dear students, let's start the discussion on Indian Express editorial 26 June 2017. The first article is about inclusive spaces. This article talks about smart city mission. Into the smart city mission, and this article well pointed out the problems with the smart city mission. Actually, one of the problem raised by this article is a lion's share of the center investment in the smart city mission will float to only to a developed pockets, that is a small area of the cities only. A smart city mission doesn't have a plan to develop the whole city. For example, this article clearly pointed out as an example as Pune, where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off smart city projects last year. 75% of the investment will be used to only a 3.6 square kilometer area. That is just more than 1% of the Pune city. This is the problem. One of the problem raised by this article. And another problem is only 26 of the cities selected last week have plans to provide affordable housing, education, and medical facilities. And another point this article says about two cities, namely Aiswal and Guwahati. These two cities are facing floods every year, and these two cities are included in the smart city mission also. And Guwahati is placed in the smart city mission at the earlier stage, and Aiswal is included last week. And these two cities doesn't have